Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update of 2024. I'm hoping everybody had a great Tuesday evening. Hope everybody continues to stay safe and well, and also enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got. Alrighty, in tonight's video, we're going to be talking about your forecast. So we're going to take a look at some severe weather today and Thursday. So stick around through the entire video. Do not miss a beat of this forecast. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe today. Hit that subscribe button, and you're in. You get my forecast yearly. I've already been on YouTube for almost 2 years. I'm over a year now. Trying to make it up to 2 years, hopefully in January of 2025. So if hopefully maybe by 2025 I'll be up to 1,000 subscribers. That's what I'm hoping for anyway, or maybe before then. But anyway, if you know anybody want to join the Mike Bass Weather Forecast channel, send them my way. Love to have them. And like these videos, share these videos on social media so more people get a chance to see my videos as well. Alright, well, let's go and get show on the road here. You can see here we got some shower activity up in a portion of Minnesota, Wisconsin, also into Michigan. We got thunderstorms and showers from Iowa to Nebraska, stretching through the Gulf of Mexico, all the way into in the eastern portion of Florida as well, in the coastal waters. All right, in the gray slash area here is some critical fire weather possible across the portion of Oklahoma, Texas, and New Mexico. Also in the yellow slashed area up here, there may be some severe weather possible tomorrow in portion of Missouri, Kansas, and Nebraska regions as well. Alright, we have some heavy snow possible here in portion of Colorado through Wyoming. Regular snow showers in portion of southern Canada through Montana, down into Utah and Nevada, and also in portion of Colorado and Wyoming. And we also have some mixed precipitation up here in Montana through the Dakotas. Also in the portion of Wyoming, Nebraska, down in New Mexico, Arizona, Utah, and portion of southern Colorado as well. Portions of Washington and Oregon states as well. Alright, otherwise, dry high pressure is in charge of area weather from much of Canada, the east coast of the United States, from up here in Nova Scotia, New Brunswick, Maine, all the way down to Georgia, North Florida, and Alabama regions. Also down in the Florida Keys, the Bahamas. Also down into Cuba, Jamaica, the Yucatan Peninsula, much of Mexico, much of Texas, also through the Gulf of California, and also portion of the West and portion of Montana over toward northern Michigan as well. Alright, all of this activity is for your Wednesday, March 13th. Alright, let's move on to you Thursday forecast now. As you can see, we got mixed precipitation up here in portion of Maine, through portion of northern New Hampshire, Vermont, through the Great Lakes region, South Dakota, also into portion of Wisconsin, all the way back into South Dakota, Nebraska, into Mexico, and also into Arizona. Alright, we got some snow flying over here in portion of Wyoming, also Colorado, Utah, and also portion of Arizona, with some heavy snow over portion of Arizona, New Mexico, also Colorado, also into portion of Wyoming as well. Alright, we got for southern Nevada, southern California, through southern New Mexico, Arizona, New Mexico, and also into Texas. We have an area of severe weather expected on Thursday from up here near Iowa, Illinois, Missouri, down through Arkansas, Oklahoma, and Texas region. Thunderstorms and showers there as well. Straight over into the Gulf of Mexico, all the way up to Pennsylvania, also toward Michigan, portion of southern Wisconsin, Iowa, and also in two portions and Peninsula, Jamaica, the Bahamas, much of Florida, through the southeast, through Georgia, all the way up to Maryland, Delaware, Jersey, region. We'll look at it next week. Alright, here we go. As you can see here, we got some North Dakota. So a little scattered thunderstorm showers developing portion. We got a low pressure system toward mid will continue to push eastbound. And bringing it back. Also up in the portion of Indiana, portion of Illinois, Wisconsin, northern Michigan, also in the portion of Minnesota. Fire weather watches down there, portion of Oklahoma, Texas, Alabama, and Mississippi regions as well. There's that ongoing severe thunderstorms of Missouri. Red flag warnings, Mexico, also in the portions of Arizona, also in the Utah, Colorado, Wyoming, portion of Montana, Oregon and Washington State as well. High wind watches have been posted along the mountain range of areas of California, wind in Oregon, Nevada, also in the California regions as well. All right, Alaska. Let's Green Island, look good. Central and South, gale warnings, small craft advisories. Same up here. Portion of Maine. All right, I'm back. All right, you can see we got a general thunderstorm from up here in Detroit, Michigan. All the way out portion of Nebraska, also Lincoln, also McCook, and also Colby areas as well. We have a marginal risk for Wichita, Also down to Oklahoma City, toward Fort Steele, and just northeast of Wichita Falls areas as well. Slight risk up here in portions of Kansas City. Alright, we have 2% to green, 5% to brown, 5% Kansas City. You're in the area and surrounding vicinities. Down to Wichita, Oklahoma, and Norman, Oklahoma. You're in the 2% risk for a tornado region and surrounding areas. Damaging winds. Okay, 15 in the yellow, Kansas City and surrounding area. You're in the 15% risk area. Almost to Wichita, Oklahoma, and Norman areas. Just northeast of Fort Steele, north and east of Wichita Falls. You're in a 5% risk for. Let's take a look at the hail probability. All right, the yellow slashed area there, that's the highest percentage for large hail. The 15%, Kansas City, you're included. And over toward Tuscaloosa, down toward Oklahoma City, Norman, and like I said, just east of Fort Steele, east of Wichita Falls, up toward Omaha and Lincoln. You're in the 5% risk for large hail on your Tuesday. All right, let's take a look at day number 3, which will be your Thursday. Let's take a look at day number 3, which is Thursday. As you can see here, we have a slight risk through Springfield, Kansas, Jefferson City, Springfield, down toward Dallas, Waco. You're in the 15% risk area. If you live in Chicago, down toward Alexandria, Louisiana, over toward Midland, Texas, in the same areas there. The highest precipitation, damaging winds, tornadoes, and large hail in the 15% risk. You got like these videos, share these videos, and consider subscribing if you have not.